We are going to learn about the volume and surface area of pyramid, prism, cone, and sphere. We are going to learn about the volume of square-based pyramid. The volume of square-based pyramid is equal to 1/3 times base area times height. It is the base area. So the volume of a square-based pyramid is equal to 1/3 times side times height. This is the height and this is the side. We are going to learn about the base area of square-based pyramid. We have a pyramid there. The surface area of square-based pyramid is equal to base area plus lateral area. It is the base area of square-based pyramid. So the surface area is equal to side times 4 times side times HT. Your HT. Let's learn about the example of square-based pyramid. The question is, count the volume of square-based pyramid. We have pyramid there, which the side of the base is equal to 3 cm and the height is equal to 6 cm. Volume is equal to 1/3 times base area times height. It is equal to 1/3 times side times height, because the base is square. So it is equal to 1/3 times 3 times 3 times 6. Let's divide 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So the final result, the volume is 18 centimeters cubed. Next, count the surface area of the square-based pyramid. We have square-based pyramid, which is the side of the base is 3 centimeters and the height of the lateral area is equal to 6 centimeters. Area is equal to base area plus lateral area. It is equal to 3 times 3 plus 4 times half times 3 times 6, because we have 4 sides of lateral area. Let's divide 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So it's equal to 9 plus 36. The final result is 45 centimeters square. We are going to learn about the volume of triangular prism. We have triangular prism then. The volume of triangular prism is equal to base area times height. So it is equal to a half times b times ht times height. It is p. It's h, height of the triangle of the base. We are going to learn about the area of triangular prism. The area of triangular prism is equal to base area plus lateral area. It's equal to a half times b times hd plus 3 times b times h. Here the base, here the hd and h. Let's learn about the example of prism. We have a prism here which the base is 6 and the height is 10. The question is, can the volume of triangular prism? The volume is equal to base area times height. It's equal to half times b times hd times height. This is the b for base, this is the hd, the height of the triangle of the base. So the volume is equal to a half times 6 times 3 times 10. Let's divide 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So the final result is 9 times 10. Then it's equal to 90 centimeters cubed. Second question. Count the surface area of triangular prism. To find the area of triangular prism is equal to 2 times base area plus lateral area. It's equal to 2 times half times b times hd plus 3 times base times h. This is also the base and this is the height. It's equal to 2 times half times 6 times 3 plus 3 times 6 times 10. Let's divide this 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Then it's equal to 18 plus 180. The final result is 198 centimeters square. We are going to learn about the volume of cone. Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 times base area times height. It's equal to 1/3 times b times r times height. This is the arc radius, this is the height. We are going to learn about the surface area of cone. The surface area of a cone is equal to base area plus lateral area, which is equal to b times r plus b times r times s. This is the arc radius and this is the height. Don't forget, s is slant height. Let's learn about the example of cone. We have cone here. This is the radius is 7, the height is 24, and the slant height is equal to 25 centimeters. The question is, count the volume of a cone. The equation to find the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 times base area times height. This is equal to 1/3 times p times r times height. Radius is 7, the height is 24. And now we get 1/3 times 22.7 times 7 times 7 times 24. Let's divide 7 by 7, which is equal to 1, and 24 by 3, which is equal to 8. We have 22 times 7 times 8. In the final result, the volume of cone is equal to 1232 centimeters cubed. Next question. Count the surface area of cone. To find surface area of cone, we use this equation. This area plus lateral area, which is equal to P times R plus P times R times S. Don't forget, S is the slain heat, which is equal to 25 centimeters. Now we get 22 per 7 times 7 times 7 plus 22 per 7 times 7 times 25. Let's divide 7 by 7 and 7 by 7, which is equal to 1. Now let's multiply 20 by 7 and 22 by 25, and we get 154 plus 175, and the final result is 329 centimeters squared. We are going to learn about the volume of sphere. The volume of sphere is equal to 4 per 3 times P times R times R times R. Here the R radius. We are going to learn about the surface area of sphere. The surface area of square is equal to 4 times P times R times R. Don't forget, this is the R radius. Let's learn about the example of sphere. We have sphere here, which radius is equal to 7 centimeters. The question is, count the volume of the sphere. To find volume of sphere, we use this equation: 4 per 3 times P times R times R times R. We know that the radius is equal to 7, so we get 4 per 3 times 22 per 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Let's divide 7 by 7, is equal to 1, and multiply them. We get 4,312 per 3, and the final result we get 1,437.3 centimeters cubed. Next question. Count the shape area of the sphere. To find the shape area of sphere, we use this equation: 4 times P times R times R, and it's equal to 4 times 22 per 7 times 7 times 7. Let's divide 7 by 7, is equal to 1, and we get 4 times 22 times 7. And the final result, the shape area of the sphere is equal to 616 centimeters squared.